Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Delight and today I'm going to be opening my first Sophie and Toffee Premium Elves Box. So here we go, let's open it. Right. Lots of crinkles. Doesn't look like they put the little colorful popcorns in it anymore, but the Sophie and Toffee paper is really pretty. Let's see if we have Magic Cat Party. Magic Cat Party! I do have a affiliate link that you can actually save $3 on your box. Alright, let's see. This one has the Magic Cat large silicone mold, and we're going to get to see my Magic Cat. He wants the crinkle papers. That's Frodo, my kitty. Magic Cat large silicone mold. Sophie and Toffee UV resin for mold 60 grams. Shaker silicone molds times 6 random designs. But I think I get all 12 of them because I ordered the premium. Spooky theme, holographic films and stickers. Sophie and Toffee glow in the dark pigment black. Spooky theme polymer clay inserts. Extra fine holographic glitter. Spooky theme metal inserts. Shaker film. And we get a perfume shaker silicone mold from Japan, crystal silicone oil from Japan, and shaker silicone molds times 12. Alright, let's see. These are the films. There's two films for the shaker molds. Ooh, we get lots of fun little shaker fillers. Looks like there's bats and spider webs and little ghosts, pumpkins, and eyes. Alright, this is one of the premium items. Let's see if I can get the glare off there. That is one of the shaker perfume bottles from Japan. And here's the second premium item. And that is a frame, also from Japan. Here's the crystal silicone oil. Let's see. Okay, these are the 12 shaker molds. Let's see what we've got here. Because if you get the regular subscription box, then you get 6 of them randomly. We have a little strawberry. Hey, you don't hurt my scalpel. Strawberry. This one is like a pocket watch. And we have a kitty head that my kitty wants. And this one's like a bear head. What you want, Frodo? And then you can't have them, kitten. No. And then we have a popsicle, a melty bitten popsicle. Oh, this one's super cute. It's a hedgehog. Alright, let's see. We have like a moon. And of course, you can't have a moon and not have a star. And then we have a bigger perfume bottle. And a bell. I think that's a bell. And of course, a pizza. Pizza slice. And last but not least, a heart. They're all really good size molds. And then we have our UV resin, 60 grams. And then we have some hollow glitter, which is ultra fine. And nothing is awesome as hollow glitter. I could watch it all day long, but I won't. And then we have the black glow-in-the-dark pigment. Okay, we have some little metal charms that are a ghost. Take them out of the package. See if we can get it to focus on these guys. We have a pumpkin. I don't know if it's gonna focus on this. Pumpkin, a bat, a ghost, a moon, a castle, or a haunted house, whatever you want to call it, and a spider web. I really like those. They're all super pretty. Let me put these back in the bag before I lose them. Alright, and then we have some stickers. Oh, and they're hollow too. Bonbonniere. Angelic. Perfect. Wicked. Fur baby. See, we have ears, little ears. Sunday. Spooky. That's the one I'm gonna make something out of, I know for sure. Kitty Queen, which is also pretty fitting. Meow. And a magic cat. And then we have some big kitty ears. Everything's hollow and it's so awesome. Alright, let's see what we have. Last but not least, looks like we have the big magic cat mold. That's a really nice one. We have a shaker of the cat, and then we have some little moons and stars. We have the moon, and then we have a little kitty, some stars and moons. This is a really nice mold. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me. I'm gonna make something out of these. And I'll record them, and I will put them up on another post. I'll show me making some stuff with these, and then the finished product. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing, and you have a wonderful day. Oh yeah, the affiliate link is in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you want. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, whatever it is in your part of the world. Bye-bye.